Mm. Oh, yeah. Every part of my heart I'm giving out. Every song on my lips I'm singing out. Any fear in my soul I'm letting go. And anyone who asks I'll let them know.
My bride, it is indeed a dream come true, an answered prayer, and an act of faithfulness of God. As I stand before you, overwhelmed and totally amazed by your beauty.
I found the girl, the one I can live for, the one who deserves. Every part of my heart I'm giving out. Every song on my lips.
Sa aking pinakamamahal, ngayong araw na ito, ako'y sumusumpa sa harap ng ating pamilya at mga kaibigan na ikaw ay habang buhay na mamahalin at sisikapin ko maging mabuting asawa at kaibigan sa iyo nang may respeto at takot sa Diyos. Di ba palagi natin paulit-ulit na pinapractice yung famous vow? Ngayon na yung pagkakataon para sabihin ko sa'yo. For richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
From that time when I had a glimpse of your smile when we were at the gym, everything seems perfect. And it feels like everything goes in slow motion.
Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa Diyos sa napakagandang blessing na binigay niya sa buhay ko. At ikaw yun.
It is then I knew what God had promised to me when He gave me one of His beautiful and most precious creation, and the whole being of you. I promise to be your partner and BFF, your personal trainer kapag sumikip na mga pantalon mo sa'yo. Your physical therapist kapag sumakit na mga paa mo, kakatakbo sa isip ko.
Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Ako'y nangangakong patuloy kang pakakaingatan at aalagaan. Mahal-mahal kita.
I promise to be there for you, to be faithful and truthful. And after this, I will be the man to grow old with you. I love you.